Okay, a Nissan Serena C26 installed for Cogoo S Series Plus, 2GB RAM with 32GB storage, IPS screen, 9-inch big screen Android GPS player with Serena OEM good fitting casing. Good fitting Serena 9-inch casing, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color. Okay, OEM socket plug and play, connect with original reverse camera, and connect original roof monitor. Okay, full menu. Android player, you go to the gray color setting. Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Backup reset, this is for in case you need to factory reset. Storage USB. Okay, this player got a 2 USB extension. So one will extension put here, another one hidden inside to connect USB DVR, Full HD Cogoo USB DVR. The code, DVR code is CG-D90HD. Install apps, high definition apps to view DVR. Okay, can control here. Insert the SD card. So it's got a SD card slot in the DVR body. Okay, can control here. This is recording. Stop recording. Take picture. Continue recording. Okay, you can play back. You stop recording. Playback. Video and photo. Set DVR setting. Setup. Okay, about app. You connect pairing with your phone hotspot for Wi-Fi. You check for update to turn on the ADAS system. Okay, blue color setting, system info, Android version 8.1, 2GB RAM, 32 storage, CPU A7 1.3 GHz. Factory setting, password 8888. GPS detect. So it's got a GPS antenna extension here. Preset volume, brightness, daytime and nighttime, navigation shortcut, styling control, change your boot logo, reverse mute. Okay, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth for a Bluetooth call. Search your device name, you can change your name. Pairing with your phone, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Video input and video output. Okay, 2+32 is got built-in a DSP function setting. DSP setting. So you can choose a preset volume, or you can do it yourself. You want to click for the user. Or reset. This is time alignment. So you can do adjust for your time alignment. File manager to manage your file. Internal storage. This one, the USB drive for the USB connect for the DVR. When you plug in a pen drive or hard disk, so we show out another USB drive. Cloud TV for online TV. Play Store to download your app. You can download YouTube, Waze, Spotify. Okay. Can long press to change background. Okay, Android player, you have to clear apps. Click here. Clear it one by one or close all. So this is radio.
我想一下先，先休息，等一下回来继续，还会有移民在节目中。
Choose the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Okay, so this is Cogoo S Series Plus 2 plus 32. 9-inch big screen Android GPS player, OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play for Nissan Serena C26. Okay, installed by one piece. Okay, and video by Andy. Thank you.